Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Stelly Grills and Chills, y'all. Stelly Grills and Chills. And hey, while we here, we gonna rain on them. We gonna cook a lot of great food. So don't forget, give me that LSS, y'all. That like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. But anyway, let's get it. Hey, what's up, y'all? Getting ready to hook up these sliders for this slider challenge. Now we got 1/4 pound meatballs here that we're gonna make our hamburgers out of. So we're gonna go ahead and rain on them and hit them with a little salt, a little pepper. Oh yeah. This is a challenge my wife wanted to do for a while. Yeah, ever since my guy find his wine cooking channel. Challenged us to that 7 tacos in 7 minutes. My wife been on it. She just wanted to challenge him right back. But anyway, after we get our burgers smashed and they get halfway done, let's go ahead and get them flipped over. Once all our burgers get flipped over, we're gonna add the bottom bun of our burgers to our meat. Right on top of it, y'all. Right on top of it. That's gonna help soak in that grease. And then we're gonna get our top buns on, and we're gonna add our cheese to the top bun. And yeah, toasting that top bun and getting that cheese on, y'all. Then we're gonna flip our burgers over and toast that bottom bun a bit and get our top bun on top of our burgers, y'all. Oh yeah. Gonna eat good, y'all. Gonna eat good. The challenge gonna be right.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Look here. We got this challenge going. It's gonna be a slider challenge. Now, these real hamburgers, don't y'all be making them little fake hamburgers. See how big this slider is? That's a real slider player. Real slider. Come doing some White Castles or some Crystals, talking about you did this challenge. No, we doing 4 real slider hamburgers. And this is my wife challenge, y'all, because y'all know this dude find his wife. I know y'all know him because y'all, I see him in y'all comments and I see y'all in his comments. So hey, I know y'all know him. He kind of made my wifey mad. So I don't let her take over and she gonna tell y'all the truth. And I'll sit back and drink my beer.
Mr. Finest Wine, I'm ready for you tonight. We got 4 sliders in 5 minutes with your toppings. I got ketchup, mustard, pickles, little pickle relish, cause it be good, some onions and some mayo. I don't know what you topping yours with, but we got that. So you ready? I'm ready. Let me flash this light and get my stuff.
Real sliders, little fella, real sliders. You see that? I see. Look how big my hand is. And that slider. All right.
Alright, Mr. Finest Wine, I'm ready. You ready? Oh, hold on, let me get the light right. We got 5 minutes. And I got 4 of them with toppings to dot down.
Hold up. You guys go ahead and hook up our sliders first.
Oh, okay, I got a pre-prep.
Sliders and we trying to eat them at the same time. We gotta go get our sliders.
It all work together though too.
Oh yeah. And rocking, just living. Oh, you know you got to do this too, little one.
Oh, we got other people going on with it.
Yeah, you know you got to do this too, little one.
Falling. And it's cheese.
Bruce Kitchen. Oh yeah, I got you too. Want to see you doing this slide?
I'm gonna eat this. In these 5 minutes while I'm challenging people.
Let's see. Who else I want? Who else?
don't know who you say had me on the baked potato.
Oh, Taylor. Fire and smoke. Come on, player. I know you can hook up some good sliders. Waiting on that recipe. I know you can do, folks. No, you can do it. Gotta do it, Taylor. Come on, player. Don't let me down.
I'm gonna do 2 pickle relish.
Let's see, who else can I? Oh! And Miss Lady, I know, I ain't even gonna lie. I know you not a person that put up videos or nothing like that. So radiant.
Challenges, y'all.
Not so radiant. She radiant. Hey, you ain't even gotta put no video up. Just do it anyway. And tell us how you liked it.
Fine as wine, I know it took me a while to get back at you. But we got this.
Don't get caught in pickles, baby.
No problem.
Give me some mayo.
What do you want?
Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot.
Okay, they're not falling off.
That don't mean you ain't. Look, you baby drop a pickle.
Because they wasn't hot. Okay, grab those.
That's not. Okay. I need one more. One more. You want some mayo?
No, I'm on mustard and ketchup right now. Something I ain't supposed to have, but I'm finna jam with this. Cause Fine as Wine think he's sweet. I'm finna enjoy this. I might be sick tomorrow, but I'm jamming today.
See what you started, little fella.
Nah. It's gonna be okay.
Do you see what you started, love fella?
You ate me eat them tacos and I wasn't ready for your tacos. I ain't mean to close this.
I need a spoon. Cause I need to do some. This here, what's it called? Some of these onions. I don't even know why I'm putting pickle relish and that's crazy. All right, you ready to go ahead and start the clock, baby?
Can you like bring me another paper towel back with you so I can? I'm having a volcano eruption right now.
Don't be showing weakness.
Ain't no weakness, it's just the personal I have right now in my life.
We doing this, honey. We gonna do it.
No, oh, that's too much.
Yeah, you said you ain't want no mayonnaise.
I didn't, but
Here,
the mustard looked like it requires some. And the sweat said, you ain't gonna get no ketchup.
Ooh, look at them onions, y'all. Look at them onions. Onions? Alright, I'm ready. That ain't good.
I'm ready. You ready?
I'm waiting on you.
Is that my cousin outside?
Who knows?
Okay, I'm ready. Oh,
You got that clock on.
I know, my light went back out. Alright,
yeah.
ready? I pushed the little button down here, right? Alright, let's go, Fine as Wine. 5 minutes.
It's a lot of food.
Yeah, it's a whole lot of food and I ain't ate all day. Let's see if I can manage it. Oh. Okay, y'all, I gotta wipe. I'm having a personal.
Yes, sir. You very good, baby. They thick though. Ooh, we ain't on track, baby. Look, 24 seconds. Yeah, you fat now.
Well, they good. I might have to savor the taste.
Yeah, what happened? You know, you can't eat all fast like that. So what you do? Like the went off?
Smoke break, bro.
Lightning went off. I don't even know how much time we got left. Man, I should have watched it. Oh man, 342. You should have got some White Castles.
These real burgers, they better than White Castle.
Oh yeah, they taste better.
And see, this how fine this wine got me sucking in on some tacos.
And they did, but I think the bad boys
This how fine this wine got me sucking in the first time. And I know you eat slow, cause you said that. And these little sliders got me having to be slow too. I might have should took you down some minutes. We should have did 10 minutes. A 5, okay? I ain't gonna be hungry.
And too fast for 2 burgers. Let's see if I can do it, y'all. When I was 20, boy, I done told all these
I thought I was gonna be able to talk to you while I ate, but it ain't even working, bro. After I gotta focus.
I don't think we gonna make it, baby.
Probably not. But at least I got into the third one this time. Oh.
Nope, don't look like it.
Ain't happened finding this wine. I tried. Now what you gonna do? Can you beat me? I got 2 with a bite in. What you get? Well, I got 3. Okay, 2 and 2 bites. I ain't finding wine. I ain't even get it. But let's see if you got me.
And don't be making no cheap burgers neither, little fella. Make a real burger like we made.
But they was good though.
But anyway, y'all, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See
to you.